Do you want to have an unlimited income stream? Do you want to have a side hustle? What about unlimited money that can generate while you are sleeping? Is that possible? We'll find out about that in this video. Hi! Welcome to Cash Baggy. In this channel, we will talk about income opportunities such as side hustles, online income streams, and financial security. All in all, let's talk about money. The idea of earning money while you sleep has undoubtedly crossed your mind like the rest of us. However, as corny as it may sound or as unattainable as it may appear, making money while you sleep is not only possible, it is most definitely possible. In some circumstances, you can essentially earn a living while you sleep, while in others, you must put in some initial work to generate a passive income. And in still other cases, you can use strategies to make your current funds grow on their own. In the end, making money while you sleep is simply another way of saying passive income. It simply refers to money that is received automatically each month with little maintenance needed. The importance of passive income stems from the fact that time is more valuable than money. It is infinitely more valuable than any sum of money because it cannot be produced again. Continue watching this video to know about the 4 tested and proven ways to make money while asleep. Are you excited? Let's get started. Number 1. Write blogs and ebooks. Nowadays, self-publishing is more common than using a traditional publisher. Self-publishing is simple. Are you a writer? Do you have a computer? Then you can publish a book on your own. Nowadays, there are no restrictions on who can publish books on their own. In order to increase the caliber and quantity of the content you create for websites, you can use a tool called Jasper. The tool uses artificial intelligence to scan topics and language from about 10% of the internet. Now, you only need 2 hours to write something that used to take 6 hours. The outcome? Incredible time savings with engaging content and fast copy. Your ebook can be quickly listed for sale on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, or any other significant retailer. Because Amazon has the highest level of competition, use best practices like having a professional cover design. You don't have to hire someone expensive, and including lots of customer reviews if you want to rank higher in their search results. Then, you could try marketing your book using social media advertisements, which is easy to accomplish nowadays. Before turning this into a passive income stream, there will need to be a significant amount of upfront marketing. But if you can make it work, you'll be well on making the most of this asset that generates income. To speed up and improve the content you publish, think about utilizing a potent content creation tool like Jasper. When you have a significant number of readers, you can already generate income while you sleep. You will just let your ebook sell and wait for your money to arrive in your wallet. Number 2. Make a YouTube channel. Now, this is the best example of making money while asleep, especially for young adults, because when you are sleeping, people are still watching YouTube. YouTube is available 24/7, and anyone can watch anything they like. Yes, starting a YouTube channel is a bit hard, but once you already have a huge number of followers, even with your old videos, you can still generate money. Besides, if you continuously upload videos, it will continue generating and generating money, even while you are asleep. Yes, it takes a lot of initial work to start, and this method doesn't pay off immediately. Also, earnings vary significantly among individuals. But if you produce high-quality content, you can make money from advertisements, sponsorships, and your own products. When you have sufficient subscribers and regular viewers, you can take breaks and still make money. Other than the money that you can get from your views, you can also gain money with other things on Facebook. You want to know more about this? We have a video that talks about the income opportunities that you can get on YouTube. You can click the link in the description box below after watching this video. And hey, if you are still new to our channel and you love our topics, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Number 3. Invest in stock market. When you have money, it's easier to have more, right? That's why the richer get richer and richer. Investing a fantastic long-term passive income strategy. The stock market comes to mind frequently when people think of investments. No stock is 100% guaranteed to make you money. But once you start investing in safe stocks, you usually make money by doing nothing more than letting the asset's value rise. Because of this, investing in the stock market is one of the best options for young adults. A free brokerage like M1 Finance allows you to purchase stocks. With no trade fees, account minimums, or ongoing account fees, the service enables you to build a diversified portfolio that the app refers to as pies. Once you open an account and deposit funds, you can use the app as an automating investment tool, adding the funds and delegating investment decisions to the map. With this service, also known as robo-advisor, you can decide how your money will be invested and then watch it grow over time. You can quickly generate income while you sleep with a diversified, low-cost portfolio held over a long time. Number 4. Real estate. Real estate is probably some people's most common and significant source of passive income. 2 real estate investments are available for anyone to start with a very little capital. Both are very passive and don't need a lot of effort. Crowdsourcing for real estate is the first real estate investment. The best thing about crowdsourcing is that it allows you to start investing in real estate without having a lot of capital. It does this by connecting investors with actual properties online. Utilizing websites like Fundraise, you invest in real estate ventures. This could be any type of real estate, including single-family homes, entire apartment buildings, and various kinds of commercial property. Real estate crowdsourcing is simple, completely hands-off, and a great way to get your money working for you around the clock. To get started, you must sign up for a website like Fundraise, choose your investments, and start investing. Investing is REITs, or real estate investment trusts, comes next in real estate. A company that owns and manages income-producing real estate is known as REIT. In other words, when you purchase shares, EIT, you are essentially investing in all of the underlying real estate, including office buildings, shopping malls, hospitals, and even cellular towers. How exactly does REIT pay you in your sleep? You might be wondering right now. REITs pay a monthly or quarterly dividend, much like dividend-paying stocks, and they can be bought and sold on the stock market just like stocks, making them very simple to invest in. All you would need to do is log into your brokerage account, type in the name of the REIT you wanted to invest in, purchase shares of it, and you would begin getting dividend payments. The REIT pays dividends every month or every 3 months. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Everybody experiences occasional laziness, especially after putting in a lot of time at work. It's good to know that there are numerous straightforward and ways to earn extra cash. You can fit side jobs around your 9 to 5. Examine the possibilities above and see which one best suits your needs and way of life. What do you think about this topic? Do you agree with us too? Do you have more ways in mind that we can add to the list? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.